Hello, my dear students. Welcome to the first session of MIT 264 Enterprise Resource Planning Practical Session. In this session, we will learn how to access the SAP system remotely. So, how do you gain the access remotely from your home? Second thing, we'll kickstart the case study one, that is sales and distribution module. So, I believe most of them know what is SAP system, right? So SAP is a system application product which is basically handling the business process, business management. What are the business managements? All things, all the functionalities are handled by the SAP system. Is an ERP, is an example of ERP system. It's one of the leading company, okay, uh, from Germany. It's a software made by Germany. Anyhow, so we'll see how to I will see the case study one, the sales and distribution module, SD. So a few parts, right? Part one, you can say. Before we proceed to the case study one, let me show you the blackboard. The course contains a material. When you go to the course contains in the blackboard under the section one, course content, you see there is a link, SAP link, right? And case studies, which consists of all the case studies we have to do in these practical sessions and the recorded sessions. Whatever the record session is recorded, it will be provided under this folder. And the accounts for all the users, for all the students and the sections included, and the results of your task, the steps, the transactions you have executed in all the case studies will be shown here under this one, under the GBI monitors. Anyway, let's see the first thing, case studies. Go to the case studies here, SAP case studies. Click on the case study folder. You will see the first one. There are 4 files, important files here. The first one, navigation, how to use the SAP system. Okay, so you can use this GBI navigation here. Basically, this navigation demonstrated how to use a desktop version. Actually, the PDF file demonstrated the navigation of SAP system under desktop software. Anyhow, we are working on the web-based one, NetWeaver. So this somehow it is a bit different. It's very simple. We'll explain this part here through directly practical here. So I will close this one here. So the next one is GBI slides, which is our company. What is GBI? Question arises. What is GBI? GBI is Global Bike Incorporation. It's your company, Global Bike, which is mostly responsible for buying and selling basically selling the goods and furnished or semi-furnished products, finished products, okay, to the vendors, right, to their customers, basically. So Global Bike Incorporation, GBI. So okay, it's a located in 2 countries. One is US based and one is Germany. So it has a Global Bike Group. It has 2 branches, you can say here. One is Global Bike Incorporation. Okay, another is Global Bike come Germany. It is Germany based and this is US based. Under the US based, it has 3 branches here. Again, sub branches. You can say Dallas, Miami, and these are cities. You can say cities are inside the GBI under the US based company. And the company Global Bike Germany, it's under Germany here. It's Heidelberg and Hamburg locations. So these are the location, storage, or branches, you can say. This is the structure of your company. So assuming you are a part of this company, okay, under in one of the country, example US, you are working in US and this company is GBI and you are using the SAP system. Very simple, right? So no need to go here. What are the products they are selling, buying, everything? These are the things here. No need to go in detail here. Just simply here, what are the products? This is just a very quick overview here. And the vendors, okay, and the business process here. What are you are doing in the what are the business process you can enter your company here. Anyhow, this is not much as needed here, and I will just go to the task directly here. So close this one. So for the first one is anyway. First, I will go back here. Course contents. Now, in order to access the SAP system remotely, you need to have the username and password. SAP username and SAP user password here. So these are available under the SAP accounts. So click on accounts and you click on your section number. Choose the section. We have four sections here. Section 1, 2, 3, 4. I have provided the sequence as well as section number. Open your section and you can do this one. All right, so let me see the sections here. Section 1, click on section 1 and you see sequence here. Anyway, student ID, your ID number, your name and the username. This is SAP ID or SAP username or ID, you can say. So this is JIC 442 dash or hyphen and address, you can say 566. This is the SAP ID and the password. Basically, you see the password, initial password is same for all the users initially. You need to change the password. You must change the password. System will give you an, to give you an option to update the password whenever you first log in, right? First time you log in. And I will show you this one demonstration. This is section 1, okay? So you must note down the password. What is your password? Username and password in your, okay? Write somewhere on the book. Okay, no need to again come here. Just remember this one. All right. Second thing, this password you observe carefully. For example, JIC442. This is common for everyone. You can see here for all the users. But these three digits 566, 567, 575, 582. These three digits are assume it is a computer ID, your internal ID within the same username to distinguish between the users, their task, okay, which user has been logged in, which user performed the transactions, activities, right, business process. So that is identified by using these three digits. Basically, these are the three hash, you can say. Whenever the system asks you enter three digits, this is the three digit you need to enter. I will show you in the lab. This is one thing. The next here course contents, case studies, sorry, course contents, SAP accounts, section 1, 2, 3. Let me show you fourth one. You can see here 6 JIC 442 625, right? The last is 643, right? So you have to choose your username. Don't use the others, right? And be careful, okay? Let me demonstrate here, right? So how to access now you got this one, right? Now let's go to the first step. Now you record your take your username and password and click on this link first, right? Click here. It will ask you the username and password. So mine is JIC 442 644. This is the last one. 644 is mine. Okay, don't use this username. This is my, okay, teacher man. So do not use this one. And the password is 12345 6. This is initial password. Initial password. When you click on log on, it will ask you the new password and repeat the password, right? So first you need to enter the current password 12345 6. Perfect. And enter the new password. I will suggest you to enter your ID number, your mobile number, your national ID, okay, which remember, you already remember this one. You can use anything, right? Very simple. Don't forget this one. So anyway, I will use my own. This is my new password. So I click change and we observe sometimes it will ask you the save the password, right? Better you save the, let's memorize the password here. Click continue. That's great. So you have logged in successfully. It's very simple process, right? You have been provided username and password and you need to enter it, change the password, and now you are in the system. Hope everyone understand this. So this is one thing here. So this is your main page. Now let's go to the task here. Now for the task, again go back to the SAP case study. The first task we'll do is sales and distribution. You see here, we'll do this first. This topic is completed. How to accessing the SAP is complete. Now case study 1. Case study 1 is sales and distribution module or business function, business units or departments. Since basically sales, how do you selling the products to the customers? products or items to the customers, right? So basically is handling the sales business processes. Sales business process, selling, this is selling, how to sell the products, say raw material or material, semi-finished product or complete product to the customer. So this is the case study is basically handling this one. So let's go to the case study here. Okay, so no, so case study here, click on the SD module here. All right. Okay, so these are all options. And if you want, you can read the whole things. Okay, if necessary. Otherwise, I will not recommend anything. Yeah, if you want, you can read it. Okay, let me increase the size here. Okay, it will be better. Little bit lesser size. Okay, this is okay. Now this is important. Table of contents. If you want to read how this process is handling, see, these are very, very important. The graphic below displays a complete process, 17 tasks. First thing, you are creating a new customer, creating the contact person, which is already written here, the same steps here. So right away we'll go here. First thing you need to know, because you are selling something to whom? To the customer, right? So first we need to create the customer. Okay, so you need to create a customer for your selling products, right? So let's go to the create the customer here. Then next, create the contact person to the customer for the, because you have created the customer, then you need to have a contact person who is handling, communicating with the customer. So everything you need to create in that. This is creating a data inside the SAP system. Then change the customer preferences, change numbers, more thing. Again, customer requires some inquiry about the products, he wants something to buy, right? So inquiry about the products he wants to, we are selling to them. And quotations, after inquiry, he will needs a quotation for the products. Then sales order, generating the sales order, and so on. We'll see this one. Okay, this is only a sales processes. These are all the sales process. Now let's go directly to the create a new customer. Click on this one. Now step one, creating a new customer. Creating a new customer. So if you want, you can read this one. All right. So right away, I will go directly to this one. This is very, very important in navigation. To create a new customer, follow the menu path. Follow the menu path. So under the logistics, sales and distribution, master data, business partner, customer, create, complete. Now you'll see this kind of screen. So let me show you here. So these are the folders, you can say modules, functions. So click on logistics, click on sales and distribution, master data, business partner, customer, create, and complete. Let me show you the same menu path. We need to follow the same menu path because I already know done this one previously, so I know the path here for the first one, right? So this will produce the following screen. Okay, so when you click on this one, it will produce the same screen, right? Just go back here, double click, just double click on it, it will open the same screen. Just look, the screen is already provided here, right? Anyhow, the something, the design, the color is different because different versions, so no need to worry, the operations is same, right? So this is thing. Now what you do here, you need to have a patience to read the document properly. Now read properly and enter the data properly. This is your job. Now you say select sold to party for the account group. Enter US00 for company code, UE00 for sales organization, WH for distribution channel, and BI for the division. Then after that, click on OK. The following screen will appear. Another screen will say, is there simply saying customer sold to party. Don't write anything here. It says sales organization, distribution channel, division. Enter this thing and company. This data, right? Then click OK here. Click OK here. Let me show you here, right? So this is account group. Scroll down, sold to party. Yeah, choose this one, sold to party. Okay, go down and sold to party. Don't write anything. Company code US00. Sometimes it doesn't display. Choose this one. Click here. Make sure you choose from the drop down. Okay, click on this one. Right. So this is like a search. Now sales organization, click on this one, otherwise it will show you this UE00. Click OK. Done. Distribution channel, click search, or directly you can write here WH wholesale. This is selection. Division, I will again click on this one. Bicycles, you are selling the bicycles, so click OK. These three things. Make sure you have not miss any data. If you miss any data, it will create a problem with the next screen, or data is incomplete. So this data has been entered, and then click OK or enter. The following screen will appear. All right. So this I will click on this one. A new screen. The next screen will appear. So create customer general data. Look carefully. Create OK. Change customer general data. Anyway, this is something changes will be there, but this is general data. Now here, read this thing here. Now here, select company as title, because I told you this is something you see in the desktop version. This is desktop version. This is web-based version. Okay, select company as title, enter the bike zone. I will copy this one for name. So I will save my time. It will copy. Let me check if copy is okay. Select company as title. Select company as title. Name is Control V, the bike zone. Better no need to write type. Okay, if you have copy paste, that will be to save your time, and no similar. And this is very important. Hash, hash, hash. Three hash. Right? So this three hash for search term. What is this? Remember to replace this three hash with your three-digit number. Example 003. If your number is 003, then enter. Okay. This is example. This is what? Three hash. Show you. Let me show you the username. Right. What you can see from here. What is your three hash here? In this one here, click here. Okay. This 644. You can see here. User 644. Your ID number. The last three digit 644. This is the what I JIC 442 dash 6. This 644 hash hash hash. This is the thing here, right? So here search term 644. That's it. Just write on this one. Don't write any other thing. Don't write 003. This is not your search term, because in next screen sometimes you need to search your data, search the customer based on this number. Okay, this is very important, need to be entered. So the next thing, then here always whenever you see hash 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 642, this is my number, right? You have to enter your number. Hope it's very clear. Now then enter 2144 for street. Read down here for street. Here the street entered. For postal code, this is postal code Orlando. Double click. For city, sorry, for city, here you see postal code slash city, means this is postal code, this is here city. You have to see in the same line, right? Same row. And US for country, FL for Florida, FL region, US for country, sorry, country. Click on this one, US. You need to search US or type directly. Okay, let me show you here, right? The last maybe, right? US. Or simply type it, it will take very FL. Let me show you FL. I will write FL, it will take you directly. Just click quickly, right? That's the thing. Okay, then click on the expand icon, this one, to access the additional street fields. You want to add some more additional data to the same. Okay, so expand this one here, this street, not here, not over this one. It's a street address. So it is clearly given here for street address fields. All right, so let me access you. Click here. It will expand, means you can add more additional fields here, right? This one, street address. So what information you want? Scroll down and click the search icon of next transportation zone. So he said scroll down, little bit scroll down. What I did here, scroll down like this. So first search the transportation zone here, transportation zone, right? Then he said click next search icon to the transportation zone field, or click the field transportation zone or press F4. Either you click search icon or press F4. It will work both same, right? This will produce the following pop-up. It will open this one. So double click region east. Double click on region. So basically you choose this region east to select it. So let me do it here. So I'll click here. Wait a moment. It depends on the internet speed server. Yeah. So region is already selected here. Click. Okay. That's it. Selection is done. Now click on company code data and confirming the two potential information pop-up windows will produce the following screen. This is very, very important. Many of them will do mistakes here. They will ignore this one. So first I click company code data. So company click on data. We need to find out where is this here. Maybe if students are looking here, all these things, it should be somewhere else. It is here. Can I see here? It will be here. So you need to basically have the complete view of the screen. So you have the big screen, you need to find out the exact term or operations on the case study, right? So he's saying here, clicking on this company data and confirming the two potential information pop-up, it will give two. So it will click OK, OK, two times. Then will produce a following. It will open, it will come to this screen again after two things, right? So let me show you here. Click on company data. Because it's already there. So since web based some changes already there, so they have been not necessary. It might come to you, it might not be, right? So for me it's okay, it works, right? But basically you make sure that you have reached the company code data. Okay, company code, account management, payment transaction, this is very important. So you see here, all right, payment transaction, companies, insurance, right? This one, the same screen. Okay, now let's go to this. Enter this one numbers for reconciliation amount. Okay, how much here? This amount. Just we copy here better. And 001 for short key. 001 for short key. Then click on payment transaction. Let me enter this two. Paste and 001 short key. Then click on payment transaction. Right, that's it. The next year this is done. The next after 001 terms of payment is 0001 0001. Okay, terms of payment. Click on sales area. Click on sales area. So click on, where is sales area? It is here. I don't look here. Okay, click here. All right, and this is done. But the following screen will appear: sales, shipping, billing, partner function. Sales, shipping, billing function. Make sure you are in the same screen. Okay. All right. The next here, this is done. You are here. Now make sure USD is entered for the currency. So your currency is USD. So this is currency USD. Perfect. No issue. And one is entered for customer price procure, some process maybe. Here one, this one, customer price procure, one is there. Okay. So one, this already is also the one is there standard. This is also perfect. The next is enter one for customer status group. This part, customer status group, enter one. Okay, the next, what is missing here? Then click on the shipping tab. Click on the ship tab. Fill the following data. Okay. So now you are in shipping tab. So let me click on the shipping tab. Okay. Now as shown above, enter two normal delivery. This is on delivery priority. You can say for delivery priority 02. Just write 02. Choose this normal. The next 01 standard for shipping condition. 01 for 001. Click here. And MI00 for delivery planned here. MI00 delivery planned. Sorry here. MI00. It will show up. Okay. When you show up, it will choose it. Right. Done. Then next. And 3 for max partial deliveries. 3 for max partial days. Here is 9. Okay. So make it 3 only, right? Then click on billing documents tab. Billing documents tab. So here billing documents tab. This is tabs. Okay. The next here, enter FOB free on board and Miami for Incoterms. Okay. This is FOB Miami Incoterms. FOB and Miami. Okay. And 0001 terms of payment and 01 for accounts group. 0001 and here 01, right? Assignment group and 0 for tax classification for all 3 categories. So 3 categories here, they have 3 categories here, you can see here. Say 0, he said 0. No, it's not enabling, you see it's disabled. So what you do here, hit enter. Again 0, enter. Again 0, enter. Make sure you enter 3 times, right? So all 0 zeros. So now then you have to save it. Do not save in the middle of it, right? If you save the middle, again it will save only partial and it will create the account with partial data. You need to again edit the thing, right? So now the time to save now. Then click to save the save icon, right? So to save this one, now this is very very important. The SAP system will create a master record for the new custom because you are basically creating a new customer, right? So you are creating a customer, right? Creating customer, isn't it the first step? Customer. So a customer is created and the unique number is assigned to the customer. You say customer something number is created in the company under this division sales area. Then click cancel to return to the SAP. This is the first step is completed. First click on save it, right? So let me save here, but there is no icons here. You see there is no icon. So you have the save options here. Click on save and observe carefully. Now you see, look here carefully. 25000 has been created for the company. So relax, do not do anything. Open the anything here. Like example, I will open a new slide. For me, it's like something here. Okay, I don't need this stuff. I say SD module. Okay, anyway, I write here. Step 1, customer number. Customer number. This is very very important to save it. 25000. No need to write zeros before zeros. 25000. 25100. This is my customer number. You will get another customer number, but don't forget this. Now every time it will ask you your customer number. If you forget, then how do you get it, right? So make sure you save this number properly. So every step you write it, you save this one. Don't forget this one. So first step is very very important, the basic step, and base step for the next another steps. Okay, so 2500. Let me show you here. You see here, if you click OK, it will go, right? So that's one thing. So I will just say click now. It's okay. I will just say cancel. That's it. You are done. You are going to back to this one as per this one. This is step 1. Now let's do the step 2. Create a contact person for the customer. Now you have created a customer. Now you need to create a contact person for communicating with the customer you have created. Right? So it's very simple step here. Sales distribution master data business partner contact person create. So go back to this one. Let me keep it here, right? Same thing here. Contact person create. Double click. Now observe carefully. Your customer number is displaying here. That's beautiful. Sometimes it doesn't. So you need to enter it. Or you need to find it. How do you find? You need to search key 642. Your 644 or 642, whatever the number I entered here, right? that number you need that's also useful. But if you know it directly, you can enter it. That's it. Very clear, very step, very fast. You can do that one. It is saying here, if the customer's number is not entered by default, then search your number using hash hash hash. If you know it, okay, good. Otherwise, you need to search it. So if you want to search, it will show you then. Okay. So let me. It's already entered here. Then just click enter. Hit enter. It will take you to the screen. Next screen. All right. So enter V1 for VIP management, 002 for department purchasing, and 02 for the head of purchasing. So VIP is 1 here, 0002, and this is 02 of purchasing. Three things I've entered here, and again 000 for call frequency weekly. Call frequency here 0002. Very quickly here, enter whatever the name you wish and fill other data you like. Then click save. This is very fast, small one. So whatever the data you want to write, name here. This is important because it's star. You can select star here. So I write here Feroz Muhammad. I'm the contact person for the customer 25000, right? This is, you can see this one, first name. Okay, let me write it here. This is my last name. You can write your name and ID, right? That's it. That's only enough. The thing is, then you say click save. Now you see here, contact number for the customer 2500 is 1 only 1, right? So this is 1 here. I can write here contact person. This is 001. Assume like this. Okay, that's one thing. That's step 2, right? So this is one thing. Go down again. You say go back. This one is again back here. So that's it. Or you can say back or exit from here. Done. Right, now let's go to the step 3. Change customer. Change customer. So distribution, business partner, change, sales and distribution. If you want to do some changes, basically it's getting changes. If you have some committed some mistakes or some more data you want to add, okay, so you have to go to change screen. Change screen. Now previously we went to the customer here. Again customer, sales, we went, the last one is complete. Now we say sales and distribution. Sales and distribution under the change, not create, sorry, not create, under the change one, under the change one. You are changing something, right? Double click. Now it will enter the customer number, same thing. So this is very important. By mistake, if you have entered any other customer number, it is editing another student's customer, another customer, but it will not reflect under your account. Okay, so this, make sure this data is there. You see UE00WHBI, and this is perfect. And click on OK. This is what is here. Data is there. Everything is included. If not entered, you need to enter it, right? Then you will set this one. On the sales area data screen, select the partner function. Select the partner function tab. Then following screen will appear. Partner function. You will see this one. Partner function. See this screen. Now what to do here? Okay, this screen will appear. Then what he wants to do here, in the next empty row, enter CP for partner function. Enter CP for partner function. Click on number field. Then search will appear. Okay, so here first thing is CP partner function. Contact person. CP means contact person. Click on number. You say click on search. Right? Now search term, right? Function. Click on the number field on the search again, which will bring you the following search screen. Now you see here the same screen will appear here. Okay, it is same thing. What he wants to do, your number is entered automatically. Make sure all other fields are empty. Make sure so all are empty. Perfect. All other fields not entered, empty. Okay, then click on the enter icon to begin the search and find your newly created custom contact. contact person, the last contact person I created one, it will show you here. So just click on enter here. I just say search. Okay, there's something background, sometimes internet issue. Yeah, it will again do. See, I created this last step, right? It show you here, right? So it's already selected. Click on okay. So you see, basically it's one. If you know the number, you can enter the number directly here. It will take you that one. So that's one thing. Then double click on the partner function and click save, right? Click save. Now here nothing is generated because you did some changes, not created something. So it's the same thing. So step 3 is nothing right here. Just nothing here. Now the step 3, because what you did here, you just added customer contact person to the customer. That's it. This is what you did here, but nothing is did here. So if you write these things, it will be easy for you. It's what you have done, right? So close this part. This is one thing. Now let's go to the step 4. The step 4. So this is now the process started now slowly. To create an inquiry, because the customer will approach to the company for inquiring about the products, right? So things, the items, the material he wants to buy. So first, person, a sales representative, who will create an inquiry for that one. So this is inquiry process, inquiry transactions. You just create inquiry for this one. So logistics, sales distribution, sales, inquiry, create. Sales here, sales, inquiry, create, double click. So we'll have this one. So since it is inquiry here, what is saying here? Okay. Enter the following information. IN for inquiry type, UE00, sales organization, WHBI. We know these are the, we have entered already here, right? Then we'll produce this following screen. So let me have this one and just write on IN. IN means inquiry. And this is already entered. If not, you have to enter this properly. Then click enter. Hit enter from the keyboard. It will take you to the screen here, right? So this is one thing. This is very important step. So follow me properly, right? So click all to party, search account, which will produce the following screen. Okay, because you have entered search term, you created the new customer, now you find the best. So this is one thing here. You see here, click on sold to party field, click on search icon, which will bring up the following screen. Let me for you click on sold to party. This one, and he said here, look here, search term is this one, because you have defined the search term and you created the new customer. You know already we created entered search term 1, right? So that one you need to, you can now use it for your bike zone. Click on customer general tab. Okay, general tab, make sure the tab is general here, make sure this is general, because sometimes you can change the tabs from here different tabs, here you see attribute tabs. So looking different versions, right? He wants you to take general. Okay, cancel this part. Okay, so click general tab, customer. Wait for a moment. Okay, now here you entered 642, sorry 644, right? Mine is 644. Did I enter 642 or 644? It must be 644. If I entered wrong by before, you need to change it, right? We need to change that one. Anyway, let's see this one. Click on customer general tab, search term, and city Orlando. Copy city Orlando. Doesn't the same thing Orlando? And then click search. Let's see search. Yeah, I created this one. 2550. See, my number is appearing here. So I use the search term. If you have enter wrong search term, you will not see this data. Click on this one. Directly you enter the customer number here. This is very shortcut, right? That's one thing here. Just to show you this one. So enter purchase order. That's it. Now enter hash for purchase order number. What is purchase order number here? Hash, triple hash means 644. You need to enter your, remember, you need to enter your purchase order number, right? and today's date for purchase order date. Today's date for purchase order date. What is today date? I'm doing here 26th of March, right? Just select today, click OK. This is today's date, 26/3, right? And today's date for valid from date. Valid from again today date. Start from today. The inquiry, the and 1 month I can say, or you can use F4. I just select this one. Both are same. And date, a date 1 month from today's to valid till date means 1 month. This inquiry will valid until 1 month from today. Until 1 month from today. So it is next month, right? So next month is 4th. So you need to add on April 26. Make sure you have April 26. So what's the quotation he wants? What's the inquiry he wants? He wants something like, you see the dates here, right? Don't this one. We have entered this properly. Make sure the dates are properly entered. If you have committed any mistake, you need to change it, right? By using change inquiry. Anyway, the bank zone wants quotes on 2 products: deluxe touring bike, black color, and professional touring black color. To find these products, we need to use search function. Click on the material field, then click on the search icon. Make sure you are using sales and material by description. You should have a patience to read slowly, right? So you need to buy zone. So he said, click on the material. Go back here. Click on the material. Click on the search icon. Sales by material. Look here. It says sales material by description. Sales material by description. Right? Is anything sales material by description here? Here you see. Select this one S. Under this one you need to write on here. Okay. So now read it. How to do? You will get the same thing. Sales material by description. So you are here the same screen. Okay. Now on the sales description, enter sales UE00. Sales organization, everything, right? Sales organization, our is UE00, WH, this is one, English, and you see material. And this is very important. So distribution, enter UE00 distribution channel, WH already entered. And material, star, you see, ZERB, there is a ZERB here, 3 digits, star 00. So in our case, my case, star, you can say asterisk, musically 644. 644. And click OK. Click search. Right. So he wants to have inquiry about the deluxe touring bike black and professional touring bike this one. So let's first one is deluxe touring bike, 3 colors: black, red, silver. Black, red, silver. So one is deluxe touring bike. They use this one, right? So click OK. Right. This one is choosing this one. You can see showing it clearly, right? Double click on the deluxe touring bike and select enter it. Quantity 5 pieces. Quantity how much? 5. Repeat the same process for quantity 2 professional. So again repeat here. Click second thing, sales, make sure this one again UE00 and star 644. Click on hit. Now this time is professional touring bike. And this is 2. Are you sure? Yes, 2 number. Then click on confirmation, click enter icon to determine the price of this order. So we'll enter, then after that one just hit enter. It will take automatically calculating the price and everything from the system. It will take some data, 10, 20 numbers. It is get updated. Quotation, you see the price is also here. Expected value is $6,420 here, USD dollar here. So the total, he is buying the deluxe touring bike 5 bicycles and this one is 2 bicycles. The total price is $21,400. All right. So anyway, that's one is very important. You see here 6,400 for your cross reference. You check sometimes this will give the same thing, right? So it is giving some theoretical, explaining what is this one here. Total price for these 7 bikes 5 plus 2, 7 by this 21,400, right? So we are good to go, right? Which is net value, expected value is this one calculated, okay. So how does it calculate it? Everything. So calculated value, which is the net value of the order in front multiplies by probability of having inquiry with the customer turn into actual order based on this one. So this is the estimated values, it's not real actual value. Sometimes no discount, nothing is applied. This is expected values here. Now here probability, we need to know the probability of the customer, he wants to buy this one, how much probability the customer will buy this product with this price. So how to, we need to assign the order probability, so is a use scroll icon to get the order probability column to right of the net columns, right? So here you see order probability is there. So order probability is 30% by default, with 30% only probability for customer to buy. So but with this one we'll say we'll make it 70%. So what we'll do here, change the order probability. No need to read this one, this is already explained here. 70% change to 70%, right? So let's show you change this one. It is here. It is here. Go here. Click here slowly. Huh? Look slowly, slowly, slowly. Here. It will not, because it's not visible here, because you see 30% here, right? It's changed. Now you see order probability here. So system is very changing itself. Anyway, make it 70. Make it this one 70. Hit enter. That's it. The values will change. You see, this value has been changed, right? So that's it here. So it will change these values. Make sure your value have something coming with different numbers, it gives some mistakes. Then the click save to save the inquiry. SAP will assign a unique number to inquiry. So you have an inquiry number, you will get an inquiry number here. This is very, very important here. All right, so save this one here. Click the save inquiry. Now you see here inquiries has been saved. Take this inquiry, Control C. I can say here, this is inquiry here. So we'll write it here, my inquiry number. Step 4. Here, inquiry. This is inquiry number. Right? That's perfect. Step 4. Step 5. So that's step here. Close this one. Now here it says go back, exit. So this is exit, already saved, done. Now another step. Create customer quotation. Based on the inquiry, you need to create the quotation. Right? Now a customer is okay, assume that I want it. So what is the final quotation to buy this one? Okay, so that's one. You can say here the same screen says this quotation create. Quotation here instead of sales, just beside here, sorry, here quotation, you can see here quotation create. So right, it's the same screen, enter QT for quotation, then click on create with reference, because you already have created, right? So QT, don't click enter, click here create with reference, because we are already reference of inquiry. With the inquiry reference, because you have already created some data to enter the material, right? It will pull that material. So create with reference. So you know the inquiry, right? So I know the inquiry here, that's why this is useful here. Copy this number, paste here, or you can search. You see showing up 644 unique, really, right? So this is my data is already there. So either you click search, you can search this way, right? Or you can say yeah, create reference again. If you want, you can search. This is searching. How do you search it? Or just if you know, enter it directly. So this will show you how to search the inquiry, right? Then it will. I just want to show you here. You will get the inquiry number here directly. Anyway, so double click and create with reference window. That's it. Then now, okay, this is done. Entered here. Then click on the copy button. Click on. You'll copy all the basic quotation sales. So whatever data you have entered is already copied into the new screen, quotation screen. So inquiry to quotation, inquiry, copy the inquiry data into the quotation, right? So this is one thing here. Now here again, purchase, enter hash purchase order number again. Here 644. This is mine, and this one is current date. Okay, 1 month from today. Again date, again, today's date for date for 1 month today for valid to date. 1 month from today. Let me read this one. Date 1 month from today to valid to date. Okay, and 1 month from today to request delivery date. Next month, it's next month 26, valid to same. So basically we are giving 1 month duration to buy this, complete this order actually. Okay, 1 month from today to valid and well as to request delivery. Then click enter, which will produce the following warning. It gives some warning, right? See here, please hit enter. Is it hit enter? This warning, you see, this warning is not copied into the existing schedule lines. What's the issue? Request date 1 month from today is valid and date 1 month from today is equal to the click will enter. This is okay. The same warning you see here, because we have doing the steps 4, 5, 6 same day. It is not next day, which is tomorrow, after 1 week, maybe after nearby. It will not give sometimes warning. So that's an issue. Same this now. So click enter to acknowledge the warning. Again he said warning. Enter it again. Again say okay. That's it, right? A new thing will be determined. So this will came again. You see, we have just click OK. Okay, acknowledge this one. This done. Okay. Now this is what to add 50%. Now he says to encourage the bike zone become a loyal. The bike zone become a loyal customer. You have been authorized to give $50 to discount each deluxe touring bike. So you are offering some discount to the customer. How much? $50 for each bike of deluxe touring bike, as well as 5% discount on the entire order. If you buy all the things, again 5% on the total amount. So how do you apply these percentage of discount to the existing order here? To add this 50% dollar, select the deluxe touring bike line in the order, then click on the item condition, this one, right? So let me show you here. First thing, select this one, then click on this one. Can you see the item conditions? So clicking on this item conditions, this will open the same screen here like this. So I created this one. So pricing details you see here. So in SAP system, pricing is done based on condition. This is just condition here. The pricing procedure defines which is types of to be used to calculate the final price. Conditions type PR0 and cost price condition. To add discount, this basically you have to work from this here. This is important here. To add this, can add type condition K00. How do you apply the discount? It is based on conditions. So conditions basically some coding, type. So K004 material discount with amount 50. So this is one thing. So just write down here K004 here in the condition type, and the amount is $50. Okay. Okay, the K004 50 I entered. And after clicking enter, a new price of 5 deluxe touring bike will be calculated. So look carefully, everything will be changed here. Again, you see, it was before 15,000, now changed to 14,000. $50 has been. You see here K00 minus 50. You see minus symbol here. Minus discount. Some discount you are applied to the things here. And note that the discount is applied to the order. Click on back to return to the main quotation screen. So I say go back. Don't go exit. Click back. Right. The name. Now He said apply now, apply 5%, 50% discount on each touring bike and plus 5% discount on entire order. Coming total, right? So go to the header conditions, right? So go to the header and go to the conditions, but here something different. There is no header here. It is menu. Click on menu, go to header and conditions. Again I'm telling, click on menu, go to header and conditions, click on conditions, right? So this is one thing. Again, it looks same screen, right? This is produce the following screen, then apply 5% discount, enter RA00, 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 and how much percentage? 5, right? 5% in the amount, right? Then click enter, okay. Same minus, you see percentage is a percentage value. So this is done here. The next, to include 5%, click on activate icon, click on activate icon. You need to activate this one. So click on, yes, maybe yes, activated. Is activated now. Maybe you can see sometimes select and activate. It's okay, that's done. $5% discount during Black Friday. No, that's it. Then save this quotation. They save this quotation. So this new quotation will be generated. So this is one thing here. Save it. Now take this data here. Double click. Control C. So here quotation. This is important. Basically, we save this file. I have to save this file. You need to sometimes keep this for reference. Save on my desktop. Just say SD module. That's it. These 5 steps are completed now. Right? Close this and exit. Okay, so this is completed and done successfully. So how do you know we have completed all the steps properly completed? How to verify, how to check, how to monitor these things, whether each student or user has successfully executed all this? Okay, I can check. Maybe I will check with this one. I can check. How do you check? If you have access, you can check directly. Global bike transactions, global bike case study monitor. You are not authorized to use the transaction. Okay, as a student you do not have access. So anyway, I will log into the another account. All right, so let me show you here another account. This is a teacher account, another account, global bike. Hopefully I have access. Yeah, I have access to this one. Now I can see how much I can see all the students. Okay, I choose solution. This is my JIC 442-644. And I will check here and execute. It will show me the steps. You see, I got all the steps. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all green color. Means I did 100% perfectly without any mistakes. If you have something mistakes here, right, it will show you red color. Red color means you did some mistakes, some errors in the steps. But all are green. It's okay. So that ends your today's session. We will continue to the next section until the next section next within this week, inshallah. Good luck. If you have any inquiry, any problem, any things, visit my office M036. Okay, or you can write email to me with your section number, lazim section number. Write your section number and your SAP number, SAP ID. This is your name, ID, section number, SCP ID, right? This is important. Otherwise, I cannot resolve the issues if you send through email. If you want to, then you can come to my office, right? 10 to 1 o'clock, anytime, any day. All right, good luck. See you.